Hello everybody. In this video we will be talking about our major project which is Funify web app using web scraping. So we have hosted the project on Microsoft Azure. So we will go over there. Okay. We have signed in. Okay, so we are using free tier of Microsoft Azure to host our application, and this is our resource group, and this is our app service, which is the web application. So here you can see we have hosted it, and here is the link to our website. So on coming to our website, this will be the landing page that the user will see. Okay, we have made it quite simple. At the top we have a menu bar which consists of a home screen, which is basically this landing page. Then the second is the about us page. About us page consists of our informations regarding the creators. Okay, and in this application we will be comparing mobile phones based on their prices, and we are not using any databases or APIs. We are completely using web scraping. It is a live web scraping. Okay, so whatever data the e-commerce giants publishes, it will be automatically tracked by our web scraper, and we will get the information. Okay, so let us search about Redmi. Suppose, so we get the results. You can see we are getting 21 results. Okay, and this is the link and the description what the product is actually. So you can see Redmi 9 Active 64GB, 4GB RAM, Coral Green, and this is the price and from which company or website it is coming from, right? So this is one thing. We can just go for Redmi 7. Okay, so you will get all Redmi 7 version of mobile. Okay, you can see the price. We can filter based on their price. Suppose I want from low to high. So I get yes, we get 4,999 at the top because it is the cheapest mobile, right? So suppose I want Redmi 7 this, right? So I will click on this, and you can see we are heading towards the product what you can say information page of that respective website, right? So we came to extracover.com. okay, which is listing or hosting this product on their site. So you can see the price is also the same, 5,099. So it's quite cheap. It is refurbished. Okay, and here it is also written it is refurbished. So we can buy over here. It is in stock, right? We can do for any other mobiles. For example, if we want Realme 2, okay, and we click over here. Okay, so there are some links which are not working, and if we go in the second link, okay, so this is working. So in our project there is some sort of it is not fully, I will say, like working. There are nearly 80% of the links which is working, and there are just 20% of this link we tried and tested a lot, but still this 20% or 15% I will say are there are links which are not working properly, but most of them are. So you can see we just landed on the product page, right? Okay, so people can just sort based on low price to high price and high to low price, and just can figure it out what they want. And this whole thing is just like without database. It's all about web scraping. Okay, so, and other than that we have gave the feature of a standard feature which is nowadays everybody need it, which is dark mode. So you can see there's a dark mode over here, and apart from that we have this responsive we have made this responsive design, so you can open our application also in a smartwatch, mobile phones, TVs, from any large screen to any small screen. Okay, and it will just work very smoothly. So we can inspect it, and we can just suppose responsiveness. You can just see if we just increase the size, decrease the size, it works magically, right? it works quite smoothly without any problem. So you can just use it. Basically you can use it on their mobile phones, on their PCs and etc. And okay, so this was our program. It is simple and easy and very much useful for the users. It will save their time rather than going on various website and searching for the best deal. It is time consuming, right? You can just come over here and can just compare it very easily, simply. So let me just take you to the code of it. So we have the code over here. It is in this app service editor. Go, and over here we have whole file. So first of all, this is the index.php. This is the main first landing page that the user will see. Okay, so it is just an HTML page. Then we have we have scrap and show. Okay, so this index.php will interact with scrap and show. Okay, so the query will be passed from index.php and it will catch it, and after catching it, it will just process it and just scrap the data. For scrapping, they are using simple HTML DOM.php. Okay, it has all the library which is very much useful for web scraping, right? Web scraping and as well as proxies. So apart from that, then we have this about with dark mode.html, which is the information about the authors. Okay, so now scrap between this, okay, index.php and scrap and show 333 modified, there is a JavaScript AJAX request which we have made. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see we have made here an AJAX request. So what happens, the query, whatever we just get, it is sent to the JavaScript. Okay, and then JavaScript send it to the scrap and show.php, okay, to a post request, and then after the post request, the process is done. What happens is the data is not fetched by actually the index.php. It is first fetched by the jQuery, the JavaScript, this file, and this file, what you can say, populates or just you can say modifies a portion of data on the screen. For example, when you go over here, you can see just this much area was just getting refreshed and not the entire page, right? So that is what is we are doing with the help of JavaScript. JavaScript, which is a library called as AJAX. Okay, the AJAX feature of JavaScript. Other than that, this is the normal animations we have used using the JavaScript, the jQuery, which contains the AJAX functions. Then there is about.js. These are the images and the style files. Okay, and we have hosted it on the Azure cloud. Okay, so that's it. Hope you like it. Okay, so I'm closing over here.